Kuringana na komanda wa borithi wa Kiamba Phineas Ringera augite aria marathirwo mauma batoni-ini ya ana mari na nduthi igiri na mathigano ni muingi uria umekoire marenja wa nduka imwe itura-ini ria Ruaka.
Morning we received information from members of the public that 4 young men in 2 motorcycles were seen around Quickmart supermarket within Ruaka town.
Thutha wa borithi gwikinyia ni kugeire na ndathukanirio ya mishinga iria irikireire na kũragwo kwa eri na gwithara kwa aruna ao eri mari na nguraro cia rithathi gicanjama-ini giki borithi umwe akirathwo na kuguthukio thibitari.
2 of the young men alighted from the motorcycles and they were challenged by the police officers. It is when they started shooting at the police officers and the police officers then responded, fatally injuring 2 of them, while other 2 disappeared with their motorcycle.
Nilikuwa natokea tu hapa. Mimi kutokea tu hivi nikaanza kusikia sasa hiyo risasi, sasa milio ya risasi.
Borithi ni mahotire kuhithukia mushinga umwe uri na rithathi 4 tari huthire na 7 ihuthiritwo kuma kuri ekuirwo acio.
We have managed to recover a Seska pistol loaded with 5 rounds of 9 mm bullets, and we have recovered also 7 spent cartridges at the scene.
Muingi uria uma hakuhi ukihitha na kwirorera kwa haraihu guku magicokeria ofitha aya ngatho ni kugacirithia ugitiri matura-ini mao.
Maaskari wamefanya kazi mzuri juu wametuondolea hao mikora, wacha niseme ni majabasi. Wametusubua sana huku. Hata juzi kuna mwingine wa pikipiki alikuwa ameibiwa pikipiki na akauliwa. Wacha niseme serikali imefanya kazi mzuri na tunataka waendelee na hiyo kazi vizuri.
We are warning those who have bad motives, especially this time of Christmas. They should desist from that because the police officers are very much alert.
Eri aria morire ni marethanwo nao hamwe na nduthi iria mauma nacio. Hando-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Ruaka kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.